Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your Shopify banner. It's a simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, I'll show you the correct resolution that you want in order to make sure that the image fits perfectly on your Shopify homepage. Since it is this style of image that I want, which is the image with text overlay, this is the resolution I want the image to be in to make sure that it fits perfectly and none of the detail is lost. So once I have got the appropriate resolution, you can see there are multiple ones here. Just make sure that the one that you need is here and you make sure that you crop the image according to the resolution. Once you have a set number in mind, just go to a new tab and search for Unsplash. This is a great stock image website where you can find all these amazing stock images, and it's free for the best part. And once you're sure of the theme or the type of pictures that you want, just click on that category. Let's say I want to make a travel website. I click on travel and select a little wider image so it is easier for you to crop. Once you're happy with the image, so yeah, I want this as my banner, I'll click on download free, and that's it. The image is now downloaded. Now keep in mind, you can use whatever website that you prefer. This is something that I felt is most reliable, the Unsplash website. Once you're done downloading the image, quickly open up Canva. Now this is the website that I'm going to use to crop the image into the 1800 by 1000 resolution. Click on create a design, click on customize size. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with Canva. If you're not, it's a great website where you can create designs, customize templates, and yeah, there's a lot more that you can do over here. Make sure you check it out. It's not a sponsored video, but this app or this website is great for all of your creative needs. So as I've said earlier, this is the width, this is the height, and create new design. As you can see, the canvas is now created. All you have to do now is go to the Uploads tab, click on Upload Files, and upload the latest file that you downloaded. Once it's done uploading, just tap on the image so that it comes onto your canvas. It's taking a little time. So as you can see, the image is now uploaded onto my uploads folder. Just click on the image and resize it to make sure that it matches the resolution that we have selected. So yeah, this seems perfect. Once you're happy with the crop, click on share, click on download, click on download again, and that's it. You now have the banner with you in your computer. All you have to do now is go to Shopify and change it there, which I'll also show you in this video. So as you can see, the file is now downloaded successfully. I'll go back to my shop, which is this. This is the homepage of my Shopify account. I just logged in, and as you can see, I already have a theme installed, but I will customize it and change the banner. Just click on customize, and once you're here in the theme editor, just click on image banner, click on change, click on remove image, and that's it. We're back to square one now. Again, I'll click select image. Once you're here, click on add images, and as you can see, this is the latest file I downloaded from Canva. Click on open, and yeah, there you go. It's now uploading onto my Shopify archive. That's it. You can see I have selected the file. Click on done, and as you can see, it sets perfectly with my theme since we got the right resolution for this website. Once you're happy with all the adjustments, you can even increase or decrease the size of the banner. You can do it large, but it is not the correct resolution for large. It's the medium one that we want. And as you can see, it is now fully adjusted to our website. Once you're happy with the banner edit, click on save, click on publish, and that's it. The banner will now get edited onto my main website. You can see this was my older banner. I'll click on reload, and you will see that the changes have been made, and there you go. You have now edited your banner according to your liking, and yeah, you can use any image that you want, any of the images that you can download from a copyright-free stock image website, or you can even use the images present on the Shopify library. All of those images are stock images and you can use them wherever you want on your website. So hopefully you find the right one and edit it as you like. Make sure you compress the image before uploading it to make sure that your website doesn't take a lot of time uploading the image or rendering the image. You can compress your files using an online compressor. It's very easy. I'm sure you know how to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can edit your banner in Shopify. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.